Hi everyone, it's Miss Mua here. I wanted to touch base with you all. It's been a couple of weeks that we have not seen each other, and I hope you guys are all safe. I hope you guys are somewhere where you guys feel safe. The people around you are safe, and you guys are doing good. If you ever need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, make a comment on my Weebly blog, along with I know you guys all know I upload this to YouTube, and you guys can always make a comment there. So if you need anything, I could try to find resources. I will help as much as I can on my end to help you. So please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Some information, that's why I'm meeting up with you guys. I want you guys to know that there are certain ways you can meet up with me, or we could do conference call, or if you have any questions, if you guys are doing already at home, Go Math, any of those resources. So I wanted to touch base with you. I did send out a message through Teams, and I know some of you guys don't know how to access Team. So let me let you guys know how this works. If you guys go on to the internet, you can, or if you go on to you download on your phone, you can just download Teams, Microsoft Teams, onto your phone and log in with your for short name at fresnou.org. If that doesn't work, do your for short name at fresnounified.org, and it's the same password you use every time you log in at school. If you go to Teams, it looks something like this. However, if you're on the computer and you need to access it, this was the best way. Office 365, and you guys know how to use that because I've taught you guys that. Once you go into Office 365, you want to sign in. If you notice, my computer is going to sign me in automatically because I'm already logged into my computer. But once you're in, this is new. Let me see. If I click on Office 365 login, it looks like this, and this should look familiar with you. Outlook is where your email is at. So if you need to email me through there. Some of you guys are emailing me through Atlas. I see your email and I email you back, but you guys are not replying back to me because you guys are looking at it through your Atlas. To check your email, go to Outlook. It's all through Office 365. Then if you go into Teams here, you click on Teams, you're going to see all your Teams, which is your classrooms, like your 7 period at school. It's going to go into the interface that looks almost like different apps. These are all my apps that I am involved at Kings Canyon Middle School. So you guys will see like period 4, period 1, period 2, whatever your classes. You can always click on it and make comments in the files, just like how you guys do at school when you guys have this opened up. And then another way to contact me, if you guys go to online math7.weebly.com/miss and then hyphen mua, you will see that I have been making blogs and kind of giving you guys information. I have been messaging this out to your parents so they know how to access this. And I know some of you guys can't access iReady because you guys only have a phone. If you don't have a tablet, please reach out to me, let me know, and we will try to get something out to you. To be the best part. If you want your parents to text me or any comment, they could always do here, but then they could always write comment in this section right here. And this will kind of, oh, there you go, not working. But anyways, they can always write me a message, email me, whatever works, and I will be able to help you guys. I miss you all. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope to see you guys soon. Have a great rest of the week. Bye.